Today I am making cookies with camp flour. These are the ingredients. 50 grams of butter, 75 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 30 grams of milk, 150 grams of camp flour, 1 packet of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a pinch of salt. It takes approximately 8 grams of yeast and a bit of grated lemon. Now I am whipping the butter and sugar. Now I very gently and very slowly add the egg and very carefully the milk. I stir a little, add the honey and add the camp flour. I mix everything. Then in a few seconds the dough is very soft. I put it in the fridge for about an hour. This is a ready dough. Now I carefully put it in the fridge to learn. Then I make the AD. The cookie should be a little bit high. There you go now. I have to be thick. I put the cookies in the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. We were left with tears and joy. After patiently waiting for 10 minutes, the cookies are finally ready.